This is Mr. Jerdy. It's Southwest 212, and we're back. We're doing some more math. We always do math. Okay, we have the volume of a sphere. I'm going to first show you how to draw a sphere, and then we'll write its equation and solve for the radius given the volume. So here's how you draw a sphere. You make a circle, and then kind of draw a curved line across the front, and then the same kind of line but going backwards with little dashes. You've got a sphere, and we're going to try to find the radius r right here. Okay, so let's write our equation. The volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. I'm going to write the volume that I got right in here for V. So 562.5 pi. If you're wondering what that is, pi has just not been multiplied by that number yet to make it all confusing. So they just haven't multiplied pi there. This is 4/3 pi r cubed. First thing I'm going to do on this is get rid of this 4/3 so I can get to r. If you remember how to get rid of a fraction, you use the reciprocal. So I'm going to times by 3/4. And over this side I'm going to times by 3/4. So the 3 and the 3 are going to cancel, the 4 and the 4 are going to cancel. I'm just going to be left with pi r cubed on this side. On this side over here, I'm going to do a little multiplication. Here's how you multiply that on your calculator. I'm going to do 3 divided by 4 and times it by 562.5. So I'm going to write that down. I didn't multiply the pi in, so I will need to add the pi on the end. So 421.875 pi. Need to include that. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by pi to get rid of the pi. Nice thing is both sides have pi, so it cancels out. And we have r to the third power equals 421.875. Our last step is going to be using the cube root key. Cube root key is right here. It's this x root key there in green. So first thing we got to do is type in a 3. Then hit second in that x root key, and we can type in whatever number we have. So I better actually write the cube root sign on this. So I'm going to type in 421.875 and see what we get. So the radius of this sphere is 7.5. 7.5 centimeters. All right, over and out.